Newark Skate Park.
No, Newark Skate Park. What's up, guys? We're here at Newark Skate Park. We're with Manuel. Can I call you Manuel?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay. Tree Boy.
Your boy Grande Horchata out here at the park.
Special guest, Kelly Wakasa. And we're gonna skate some stuff, some obstacles, show you guys the park, have some fun, do some things. So you think this is the most expensive park in the Bay Area? I think it might be
next
maybe.
to a firehouse, so that must be expensive.
And they got a Chick-fil-A down the street too. So.
They also have the worst Taco Bell of all time.
Oh wow, so that brings it down in value. Well, I don't know, but regardless, we're gonna shred.
New York Skate Park.
No,
Wait.
Newark Skate Park.
Is
Newark.
it Newark? Or
is it Newark? It's like it should be Newark.
Wait, where are we going first?
We all.
Why are we already in the park? We need to start outside. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so we are outside the skate park.
Okay, now we're outside. Let's go back inside. we were inside. Now we're outside.
Nigel,
now we're going inside.
They wrote us a note.
No amplified sound. Well, destroy the skate park. Because,
Is that amplified?
Yep.
Why is this park so bright?
Skaters under the age of 14 must be accompanied by an adult. Lucky we're here.
This actually helps.
Dang. Oh my, woo. Oh. Woo. Yeah, Dan. Let's go, boy.
Wow, you're so good.
Let's go. Wow. Hey, didn't you just practice those the other day? Oh, get that, boy.
Alright, so we're gonna move on to the section next to the forced air. We got a little A-frame gap, a little A-frame, you know, ledge, rail with a bump to bar, and we're gonna do some radical skateboard maneuvers, or try.
Dang, Dan. How did you roll away from that? Bodied. Let's go. Whoa!
Imagine if I landed that.
Little dolphin action over here. Whoa! Oh. Look who's late to the party. You still better do it.
I missed the train.
You better do it.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at her and show her. Look at that. You see that smile? Look at it. Look at it. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Go on, hold on. Let me grab him. Look at the smile. Look at, come here. Look at it. Look at it. It's young Wakasa in the building.
Okay. Look at that hair. It's flowing.
It is flowing. How you been, brother? It's been a while.
Doing fantastic. Good to see you, brother.
You ready to skateboard?
Of course.
Get right into it.
Wow.
I thought about that song.
Yeah. Oh. Good start.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
You just
Rolled his ankle. Oh yeah. That'd be sick.
We're in the bowl, which is located in the center of the skate park. It's pretty cool. I like it.
That's terrifying. All right, Nigel.
God dang it! I gotta figure this out. Not bad at all, huh?
Hey. So scary.
Oh. Alright, you ready? Let's skate this middle section.
Let me get a guest clip right quick.
Alright, Gabe.
Show y'all.
Lay it down for Jetson. Lay it down for Jetson.
Why is it beeping so much?
right after this one. Oh! I let you down, brother. So sick! Oh man! Brother.
Back.
Wow. Alright guys, well that was Newark. We did a little park tour, skated some obstacles. There is more obstacles, but ran out of time doing the stuff that we were doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Some videos over here. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Share those videos. We'll see you in the next video. Leave some recommendations of what you want to see in the future. Maybe we'll start flying to different skate parks. Put some suggestions down there. Till next time.